What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the latest leak, the Samsung Galaxy S23 will use an advanced 200 megapixel camera, revealing the latest features of the smartphone. Samsung developing its latest flagship smartphone Galaxy S23 Ultra, which will be present next year, as well as the Galaxy S22 series that is present in the current market. The latest leak, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will carry a camera resolution of 200 megapixel. Samsung itself is quite successful in selling its flagship cell phone in the market. The Galaxy S22 Ultra broke the previous sales record, not to mention the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 folding cell phones that dominate the market as reported by Gizmo China. Besides Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, there is the Motorola Frontier and the Xiaomi 12T Pro, which carry a 200 megapixel camera sensor. Samsung itself has ISOCELL technology. HP3 is a new 200 megapixel camera sensor that has been launched by Samsung. The ISOCELL HP3 camera module area is reduced by 20% thanks to its 12% smaller pixels. Another leak, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series will carry the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU chipset, which will be launched in November. Samsung Galaxy S23 series devices may have a 40 megapixel front camera, after becoming the first company in the industry to deliver CMOS image sensors (CIS) with 108 and 200 megapixels respectively in 2019 and 2021. Samsung Electronics has again surprised the market with the ISOCELL HP3 image sensor, an image sensor packed with 200 million pixels measuring 0.56 micrometers, the industry's smallest pixels, in a 1 by 1.4 inches optical format. Previously 2019 and 2021 respectively, Samsung became the first company in the industry to present a CMOS image sensor CIS with 108 and 200 megapixels respectively. Through the announcement of mass production of the ISOCELL HP3 Ultra high pixel image sensor, Samsung has commercialized the development of a 200 mobile image sensor with ultra small pixels. Despite the smaller pixel size, this sensor was developed using technology that maximizes fuel well capacity (FWC) and minimize loss of sensitivity. Additionally, new features are added to the sensor, including autofocus capability for all pixels and functions that enable high-speed video operation, along with enhanced color expression. Smaller pixel size are ideal for developing smaller, slimmer devices but may result in less light entering the device or interference between adjacent pixels. Samsung managed to create thinner and deeper physical walls between pixels by using its proprietary technology called Full Depth Deep Trench Isolation (DTI), which guarantees high performance even at 0.56 micropixels. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.